Our Nigerian government don't come again. Oh. Now they don't plan to they don't threaten say they won't comot Facebook, oh, Instagram and WhatsApp. Hey, what if people go come they use take chat if they do all this kind one? Nigerians they just want to dey suffer house. Abeg wetin wanna go right again inside this post wey be say come make Lai Mohammed come dey talk this one again? Because e be like say this man now he don dey carry youth matter for head. He don dey carry social media for head. Person wey no dey use the social media now, una don make am put eye on top because for am to come outside again, e mean say something happen. The Minister of Information and Culture wey im name na Alhaji Lai Mohammed, Laya Mohammed, na him talk this one o. He say this whole Twitter platform, as they don ban am, say in fact they ban am because of say wetin, say no be because of say people dey write wetin they like o, say because e dey cause disunity inside Nigeria. Since when Twitter become war zone, wey be say now Twitter don start to dey cause war for people inside Nigeria. My people abeg, no be me use my mouth talk this one, make una watch Lai Mohammed as he talk am by himself.
Mr. Chairman, honorable members, it is true that on the 4th of June, the federal government suspended indefinitely the operation of Twitter in Nigeria. And the reason we gave was that this suspension is because Twitter had made its platform the platform of choice for people promoting activities to destabilize Nigeria. That despite persistent calls on Twitter, they refused and made their platform available for separatist groups and people calling for the dismemberment of Nigeria. We also note in the same press release, we also said henceforth all OTT, that's over the top, and other social media platforms must register first as Nigerian companies and be licensed by the Broadcasting Commission before they can carry on any business as social media platforms. Yes, the first question is, what have we taken into consideration Nigerians doing business on Twitter? And the answer is yes. It's because there's a country called Nigeria that people can do business on any platform. And this is very, very fundamental. Two, we did not, there are other platforms, Facebook, Google Hangout, WhatsApp, for people to use. But in a matter of national security, individual interests will lag behind. Yes, what is the federal government doing? Well, incidentally, like I said, the Twitter, the suspension is indefinite, it's not banned, and we said the doors are not closed. We are willing to speak to Twitter. Twitter has written a letter seeking for government dialogue, and just today I did issue a statement in which I announced the government team that is ready to meet Twitter, chaired by my humble self.
Una don hear wetin Oga talk? This man talk say he no ban Twitter. Say they no even ban Twitter. They just suspend them indefinitely. Abeg, who get dictionary for that place? Make na help me check wetin the meaning of indefinitely. Because it means una never even ready. They never even know when they go open this thing. And say their main reason, no be say because of say Buhari right, wetin he want, threaten Nigeria. So no be that one. No. Say they want make Twitter come register inside Nigeria. Say Twitter they operate, but they know they registered inside Nigeria. Say they get investment for Ghana. But when Nigeria will be say their target market is plenty inside there, why be say they no come register there? Say now waiting they vex them. It means say these people they won't do business from Twitter. They themselves need Twitter money. So Twitter no nas na want to do. Be na sida na go sida no. Be na from there na go send the letter. I beg making ourselves come register. Make peace reign between this whole social media thing. Because this one when I don't try to say I won't carry Facebook. I want make all these slay queen come they behave. No, where they want they post their picture now. Instagram queens, when I want me they go. Now I want me they go hide for one place, go they sleep. I beg this whole thing making a resolve and well. But when they talk say they don't Twitter don't they negotiate with them. Say they don't they follow them talk. But say as it be, any platform where they post yaga thing, where we say they go well with the government. In fact, they ready to suspend that platform. So my people making they careful. Everything when they post now, making they show that well. Making not going to post something, we say they go post and then I go I say president nose big. They'll come say, I know they inside that matter, making a reason and what before I go to write anything. And say the things where people they post, it they make the country destabilize. Say if they post this one, the thing they always cause war. Person go right say, government don't do this one. 1,000 people go comment about them. Say, yes, now true. Now this one. See now what's in they cause fight. Now wetin make a call reason and say this whole thing make them even suspend them. Make them put them back for one side. Because if they make the country now, they scatter. But government people beg. And I never go face bandits where they even real scatter the country. When we say them that they even use gun. Twitter should be na by typing. People just they post. Not be say they even use voice note to write this thing. If say they use voice note, right, that means everybody go they cry. Government that means now go they cry blood. Because people go pour out their mind. They will be say if not even hear themselves. 1 week when I go see the hospital. Ordinary type wey just type cost on a small cost. Now I don't vex say I won't ban Facebook self join. I beg make I no ban them because now there people they do business. Some people now Twitter where they even ban their business don't go on lockdown. Their business don't go on sleep because of this whole thing. And I know say this kind of thing. Now they generate money for some people. So this one when I even do like this, it vex some people say not because of saying I even block them, because of say their business don't do on hold. Nowhere for them to see money. And this one say go turn another wahala. Now go see the people now say go come as one the thief. Because all this kind of small business where people they do it online. Now they give them money. So if now one decide say I won't block this kind of one, how I expect people can't they survive now? And I say now government now they find trouble. People just sit down on their own. Government don't decide again say that anybody who oppose they go ban them. Ban them on top of waiting. People now no get right again to write their own mind online again. If the thing pepper na small for body, now go decide say na one closer. All this kind of old baba be say, and I not even feel operate in this social media. I even can't hear say they don't create committee just because of Twitter. Hey, Twitter don't important. Twitter don't important past human being life. For them to create committee because of Twitter, people they die since bandits they attack. They never decide say okay, they won't create committee because of this thing. But Twitter matana they don't sit down. And I see this one, that they use the one is on thief money. Because if they collect this one now, before they go consider, they go talk saying they go need to pay them. And I say our government now, don't they find trouble, don't they use ways on that they will take the thief. Committee for waiting. Now business committee. Which kind of committee now they create? Last, make now just leave this thing. Twitter no reason why they don't even enter Nigeria. Light no they did. So if now they do up NEPA, now they want they do their business. Before they go to make their on their laptop, post something, NEPA don't take light. How they want to do business? They reason all these kind of things. Now make they decide, they won't go Ghana. Ghana they pays for one. Light they do well. So the reason I'm saying, if they do this one, everything go there normal. So I beg, Mr. Lai Mohammed, I beg, we beg you. No reason I'm saying you won't go block all these kind social media handles again. Because the one way you even do self, you don't cause damages. And I sure say the country self don't even make losses. On our account and say, I don't lose for this whole thing. So what you make now one come push say because say the thing they cause disunity. And they feel say this whole disunity self, not be even for Twitter ID. Enter the country whether people where they kill, people where they fight, go face them. Settle that one first before we come say na won't come decide say na Twitter own na one face. I beg na beg people they beg on. Make na work on that one first before na go they decide on any Facebook and Instagram ban when I won't do. I hear this one my people I want to make I bring down come make na self using na yeah what they happen or inside this our Niger. Anything when I feel make na don't forget to write them inside the comment section. Make na don't forget to like and also share this video to other people. I go see you now for the next video.